Are you shocked by corruption? Well, brace yourself for this one. In 2024, Mike Chimambe and Moses Mpofu fled to China, dodging arrest by the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission. Their crime? A failed $87 million presidential goat scheme and other fraud allegations. These two figures, once trusted by many, now stand accused of siphoning millions meant to uplift communities. Instead, they chose deceit, leaving countless families in despair. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission is hot on their trail, but will justice be served? Or will Chimambe and Mpofu evade the consequences of their actions? Stay tuned, Zimbabwe. Let's not forget that Chivhayo, controversial businessman, is suspected to be in the loop too. In fact, he might actually be the mastermind. He's out on the run, and Sabc is on the lookout for him. But shockingly, rumors have spread. There's a possibility Sabc is stepping down on this one. Is Wicknell too much of a big boss to fight? This scandal isn't over yet. We must demand accountability and transparency from our leaders. Join us in this fight against corruption. Share this video and keep the conversation going. Together we can make a difference.